Here's a Camaro to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro. As you can see, T-top car. Looks like a CC1 RPO code from General Motors. Burgundy in color, black interior. First of all, let's start with underneath the hood. 350 V8. That is paired with a turbo 350. Automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. As you can see, alloy wheels, American Racing brand, and BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a close look at the front of this. Now, there are some things I'm going to kind of announce. We're selling this for a good customer of ours on consignment. It's kind of selling it as is, so there's some things that I'll announce. Paint on it, it does show its age some. You can kind of see there are some light scratches, imperfections in the clear. Just, you know, a little bit older paint. More of a driver, or you'll hear them called, you know, 5-10 foot cars. But want to announce that paint's not perfect on it. I mean, it still shows all right. Interior, it's a black vinyl rear seat car. Front seats were vinyl. They do have seat covers over them, and that is also due to showing its age as far as wear and tear on the vinyl in the seating area. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the seat covers on the buckets up front. The dash also has had some repair work with some duct tape, kind of a black vinyl tape, if you will. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. I know the headliner held up a little bit in areas too with some of the black vinyl tape. See, it's got a dash cover over it at the moment. A few aftermarket gauges down below the radio. Radio does work. There's a shifter on the floor, center console, bucket seats. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You want to double check with your sales associate when you call in their email. It does also come with a few extra accessories. It does have the GM bags for the T-tops, a couple of retractors for the seat belts, and I do believe those are a little tougher to come by. Steering wheel and some floor mats. Those will be in the trunk on it. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. One of the things that were noted is the backup lights were in-op on it, and I believe there was an intermittent blinker on the rear. Underneath the hood with that 350 V8, there is a Holley Street Dominator intake on it, Holley carb, as well as the new radiator, headers, and we'll open that up here in a second. Just to let you check out that engine bay so you can take a peek at it. Also noticed right here we do have a little bit of crack in the door handle, which this end right here will operate the latch, which makes it just a tad bit tricky to open up, but it will open up and can get it open. All right, now let's go ahead, check out this interior. Again, seat covers, because the seats underneath are showing wear. Easy enough to put new seat covers and foam on these though. Readily available. One thing too, Tex noted was a little bit of a misfire when they had it through the back shop. Again, consignor chose to sell it as is. Price reflects it. So I just want to make you aware of that also. Fire it up here so you know you see it run. Again, kind of one of those maybe running driving project if you would. I guess is probably the easiest way to sum it up. It appears that the gauges and everything are working down there. And like I said, I did have the radio working a little bit earlier. We'll power up and tune it to a station that has reception. Will work fine, but it looks like got fuel pressure, volts, and then the temp gauge will come up with coolant temp. Alright. Door closes nicely, slip around to the back. Give you an idea how it runs. Again, a little TLC. Take this car to the next level. save a few bucks. Buy it again the way it is, being represented. Price reflects it. Put a little bit of money into it. Like I said, a little TLC will go a long ways. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So your Colin induction hood on it. There's your 350 V8. Again, power steering, power brakes, headers. Street Dominator Holly intake and Holly carb underneath there. Factory AC car originally. And again, new radiator. All right, there you go. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro T-top car. 350 underneath the hood, turbo 350 automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And I do have some spots pointed out as far as there's a little bit of rust and some bubbling on it. You'll be able to see in those still pictures, so make sure you check those out. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate first when you call in or email.